Big collision with the Duke defender.
Looks like it was Haller. What a beautiful little ball in there. And Haller colliding. It almost looks like it's face first.
The referee has made no indication towards a yellow card. There was an awful lot of contact there.
Here it is again. From a different angle. Oh, she gets her good. She gets the ball a little bit first, it looks like, which is why you probably don't see the card. If you don't get any ball there, that's a yellow card for sure. It's just clumsy more than anything, isn't it? Coming across.
Well, and unfortunately for Wake, Stengel has to go out for this kick from Nuzzolese. Around the wall and in!
My goodness, that was on a rope. That one straight in. And Rachel Nuzzolese takes all their set pieces, and here's why. Straight around, and you can see Campbell blocked by the wall. Not even coming close to being able to save that one.
Wow, it almost looked like Campbell left that entire left side open.